another explorer. Nigel will join us shortly. He's just coming through. He's just gone to videos and stuff that he wants to video. Bit of fire. Another door. Wooden floor. I'm surprising that's still intact. Another entrance. Another little cubby. A little bit mucky down here. Tacky. Another entrance. What is this, Nige? It's an air raid shelter, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're in Northfleet air raid shelter, North Kent. So let's crack on, have some fun.
Air raid shelter up here.
Another entrance. Oh, signs. Another one over there,
Lots
look.
of them about. Lots of them about.
That's nice to see. And we're on a nice incline as well. I've not seen this on YouTube much.
Oh.
Well, I've never knew it was really. Look, that looks originalist. Looks like a top of a toilet.
Yeah, there's loads of toilets, we'll find them. You can see where the shuttering would pour the concrete.
Oh yeah. I love that sort of thing. Just a bit, shows a bit of life. That's a nice bit of graffiti.
Quickly go down here.
Let's go down tunnel 3. Oh Christ, didn't realise it was this big in here. Smoking strictly. This is brilliant, Nige.
Yeah, it's cool. I'll go around the other side and go around the plant room. These are all the toilets.
Chemical toilets. This is what Simon pinched that time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I follow my mate because I don't know these at all.
Yeah, I won't go over there without you or nothing.
That's all right, I really won't. I didn't mean to when we went to Portland.
Yeah, I know.
Oh wow! Nice. Could be here a little while because I'm going to take this video. Take my camera onto the camera setting. There would have been a diesel or something there, I reckon, or here somewhere.
Yeah, there'd been a fan motor on there. That's the motor. There'd been a fan
Fan
there,
there,
going
yeah.
into there, up through the ducting. That's the diesel supply.
I can smell it. And then so I'm on the diesel where the diesel would have been.
Yeah.
I love that smell of diesel. It's lovely. It's beautiful, beautiful. Lovely arches. And I take it. Well, this is nuclear with them, isn't it? Filters.
Don't know.
I'll have to do some research on this. History will be in the description because we don't know. We only know certain much. Oh, look, it still spins.
Oh. Even that motor still spins.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Old technology was built to last. Oh.
There's some grease on it. We'll go straight down first.
Okay, mate.
We won't miss anything out.
Ah, brilliant.
I didn't know you hadn't done that.
Ah.
There was a scooter down there at one point.
Why am
I
I?
did a little video scooting around.
Why am I not surprised? Is this World War II plant room?
Yeah, it's just the other end of the plant room.
And
There's a ventilation. Mine's red.
for M-O-P.
There, look.
Dual works. Another entrance. First aid. Why are they not preserved, man? This is hugely brilliant.
I know.
Straight or up?
That's another set of tiles the other side of that wall.
Savage, man. Let's clear this lot first.
Yeah, we'll clear this up first.
Graffiti is brilliant as well. And drainage. This,
Yeah.
this would have been women's loos.
Toilets, yeah.
See, like, proper signage and everything.
Brilliant.
Novels.
Yeah.
Now you're coming into the men's bathrooms, nothing really left at all. This would have been wooden floor originally. Tunnel. And I'll go through there in a minute because there's no sections open. Never knew this was this big. I knew there was something here.
Yeah.
But I never knew it was this big.
Is that why some of this is broken up and some of it's not?
This would have had wood above it. Because it's in the up section, isn't it?
Yeah. And there's where all the electric cable went.
Man.
The lighting.
Tunnel J.
They all
nice.
interlink.
Drop the light a bit. So the shadow. Yes. That H, and you've got actual measurements. It's quiet.
Yeah.
That's how much
Yeah,
space you would have
actually
had.
record the measurements as they come down, yeah.
Brilliant. You're seeing this, guys, as I see it myself. I've never been in this one. That's why I dipped my torch. So you'd have that much space, 3 foot 6 inches. Bit of the wiring left, a bit of switch. We're back to the main tunnel now, aren't we? No, next one.
Nearly.
There's a vent.
Yeah. We go down this end here, through the wall.
Alright, I've got to go down in here now. It's quiet.
Let's have a little video along here. Where's my scooter gone?
And bin, I bet that's not original. Tunnel 5. You alright?
Yeah.
This one's not as tall.
No.
That's only a door. To the first aid room. Oh, this one's well graffitied up though. Go for like ages. Cool. Oh,
I'm going to walk down this bit here.
yeah, I'm going up and across, up and across. No, I won't be far. It's amazing. No, graffiti. I like stuff like this because it's not damaging. It's do you know what? Thanks, Night. This is brilliant. See, look, it's still got a light bar in it still. Amazing. Brilliant, mate, this is.
Yeah, he's come to me and he's like, oh, look at that. Oh, there again, look. Right, I've got to do that again.
He's doing his daughter's tag. This smells like the first aid post, it does. Smell like medical stuff.
Yeah.
Just changing smell in here.
I'll tag on this bit.
This is a shiter. Oh, not. It's first aid room this way. This is this has all been painted up. First aid room. Another loot, portaloo. Well, that this way. Nigel catching up. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Right, apparently I've missed something in here, so I'll add this to the second part. I'll add this to the video that I took earlier. It's bigger in here. No, I haven't done this section. Forgot about this. The wood floor. Yeah, yeah. Bloody gum shield box. It goes further. Ah, not far. Right. Nice. There he is.
First aid room.
Oh, floor, a bit mucky.
Yeah.
So warm as well down here, it's nice.
Yeah, not cold at all. They're always, like I say, room temperature, do you know what I mean?
About 15 to 20 degrees.
Centre seats.
Centre seats. This one?
Smoking strictly for vegan.
Yeah, I see that.
On this one.
Oh mate, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
Not too sure what that says.